I love the water. Welcome to 1032 Pinecrest Drive. Split foyer in the community of Annapolis Roads. We're going to fly up and around so you can see the immediate area. Private beaches. And of course the dogs love that area. There we go. Now we're going to go on up and you notice the solar panels. Solar panels are paid in full at settlement, and the new owner will get all benefits. The current owner has told me that his solar panels have assisted his electric bill down into single digits a lot of times, which is actually pretty good. Now, the home has a pretty good sized backyard. It is fenced. We're at a height of about 100 feet, so we're just over the tops of the trees. You'll notice the roof condition is very good. You'll get a better view over here shortly in the video. Neighbors' homes are comparable. The guy on the far right mows his yard. Looks like almost like it's a golf course, putting green. I'm going to rotate around a little bit. And some of the other things that are available, more pictures of the common area. That same beach again, and that is a protected beach, just like Ogleton in the different background. Private picnic areas, playground. Another shot of the beach run again. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and get down into the backyard. And the drone will have to adjust forward a couple of times. Don't want to land on the trees. This is a really well-established neighborhood. It was established in 1926. It's also a very short drive to downtown Annapolis, access to 50 up Valentine Boulevard. And we won't go all the way down, but we're hovering at about, I guess, the roof height. You can see the roof, but once again, is in good shape. New gravel around the back. There's a storage shed. Some paver bricks. Landscaping is mature, well maintained. That is vinyl siding on the back here. You saw the front had a brick front. Now the gutter guards are also in place, and with the new roof they have what's called a ridge vent system, which allows heat to rise out of the highest point on the roof. Parking. You can see there's room for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 cars in the driveway, plus there is a boat and an expedition up in the front that you can park. So if you have a small boat and trailer and something to tow it with, you can put it out of sight. Now we're up at a height of about 300 feet. Those are ships out in the bay that you just saw. To rotate around, you see some of the sports fields off in the distance. And I'll give another spin in just a minute. But this is a great place to live. There's some of your shopping off in the distance. And once again, you can see water over here, more of the sports fields. And I think if you look carefully to the far right, you will see a glimpse of the Bay Bridge. It's kind of a hazy day, but there it is. These ships are waiting to go into Baltimore to load, of course. Another shot of the sports fields close by. Now we'll pan down and look down the top of the home. And once again, you can see plenty of parking spaces. The solar panels, as I said, will be paid off at settlement. They are, I believe, 2 years old. And all credits and things remaining will be sent off to the new buyer. Now we're going to zoom in. Don't hang up or abandon this video just yet. We're going to go back and look at the boat ramps, the public dock. If you are a kayaker, this is a place to be. You'll see why in just a few minutes. Or if you just have kids and they need something to go do that's healthy, there's a place to be. That's not too far from the home, probably about 4 or 5 blocks. Now, this is the water access, and of course that river goes straight out to the bay. You've got a boat ramp here, or a place to launch the kayaks. And this is a fairly new pier. The association seems to take really good care of things. I'm walking out to the end of the dock and show you what's down there, which I've not seen before, but it's actually ingenious. This is a floating pier section, notched out and protected, and it all looks fairly new. And that was for sliding your kayak in and then, you know, putting things in it and boarding it and then backing out. Now, the tide was out when I made this video. It does go as high as probably about where that Jiffy John is. A still shot, so you can look at it if you want to again. Another one of the kayaks. The community monument right at the beginning of the park. You'll notice that everything is well marked. This is a private residence or private area for the residents only. Plenty of picnic tables, the playground. It's all fairly new. This is a path that leads down to that beach, and that beach is pretty big. Once again, great looking house, brick front, brick porch stoops. You notice a really massive chimney. It's got a good sized fireplace. Annapolis Roads is the community. It's right off of Forest Drive. Another water view from the dock. So what you want to do is call your agent today, set up a viewing, and then get an offer in. Thank you. Hope you're having a great day, by the way. I know I am.